Alright, now let's work some with, it's got a variable involved. Alright, let's say we had 27x minus 2 times the square root of 12x plus 2 times the square root of 48x. We're going to simplify this down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this 27 up. We know that 27 is 9 times 3. And we know that 12 is 4 times 3. And 48, let me do a little side work over here. 48 is equal to 6 times 8. Okay, we know that off the top of our head, but this can be broken down to 2 times 3, and then that can be broken down to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Sorry, too many 2's there. Okay, so we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. We've got 4 2's and 1 3. So I'm going to write 2 to the 4th here, and then a 3, and then of course we don't want to forget our x. Well, we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So I'm going to write it like this. You know, we could break this up as the square root of 9 times the square root of 3x, and then we take square root of 9 as 3. Okay. Minus, now the square root of 4 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Hope you're following me on that. I'm hoping I can get away with skipping some steps. We have this 2. I better not skip this step. The square root of 2 to the 4th. Well, remember, we can write 2 to the 4th all raised to the half power. Instead of writing the radical, write it in exponential form, and a half times 4 is 2. So this would be 2 squared, which is 4. So this ends up being 4 times 2, which is 8. Yeah, we're just going to put 8 here. And then times the square root of 3x. Okay. And I'll just rewrite all this. Okay, we just add coefficients now. -1 plus 7 is, or 8 is 7. So all that reduced down to 7 times, or 7 times the square root of 3x. Okay. Good enough. What do we got going on next? You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and just clear the board. 4 roots of 162 times x plus 4 roots of 32x. So we need to break this 162 down, and what you should start with is how many times does 2 go into that? Well, we know that 2 times 81, right, is going to be 162. I should probably put it in exponential form. We'll break this down. This is 8 times 4. But we can break this down. This is 9 times 9. I'm going to start writing this in the exponential form here. Alright, plus, oh, and this